What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I made a headshot video, and it is because I was focusing on a very big event that I had in downtown LA. Actually, it was in Koreatown, but it's in Los Angeles, and it took up a lot of my energy and a lot of my focus, and I just dedicated all my time and energy focusing on making that event as amazing as possible.
My nail tech knows how to keep it a little secret. I don't wish for my success, I speak it. I caught a buzz and you did too, but you tweaking. I look like I've been getting money, how reeking. You smell me, that's LV. Walk around with my chest out and my skin smooth, I'm healthy. I'm in a mix and I'm handshaking, but most of y'all can't help me. Most of y'all ain't wealthy. Most of y'all just dress like it. I caught the vibe that y'all giving off, and I'm trying to make myself less like it. This chick got a little Porsche body, I might let the bro test drive it. It's hard for me to get excited. I love music and stress about it. My city haunting.
By the way, if you want to come to the next event, follow me on Instagram or follow us on Instagram, Good Demand at Instagram. As well as another reason why I haven't been back making YouTube videos is because I have also started making an extremely amount of I've been making an extreme amount of content for TikTok. So I'm focusing a lot of my attention on TikTok just to take advantage of the algorithm that is going on over there right now, and just to get the most that I can out of my time, my energy, and me making videos. So that is one reason why I haven't made YouTube videos in a little while. But one big thing that I learned through the process of the event was that literally life happens, and I wanted to share this with you, as well as some things that this event really brought out of me. And it is something that is freaking, it just keeps happening. And what keeps happening? Life keeps happening. I remember telling myself, as I'm making this event, I'll put a YouTube video out later. And then the week of the event, I'll wait after the event to post another video. And then after the event happened the last week, I was like, okay, I need like a day off. I need a day off. It's like, great. Took the day off. Oh, I got a snow trip coming up to Lake Tahoe. After the vacation, I'll make a video. And then it just never happened, and life just kept happening. And this is one of the things that I want to not only express to you, but to myself, that life is going to keep happening, and we need to make time no matter what for the things that we're trying to achieve, as in growing on content, growing a platform, or just growing yourself. I've also faced some challenges in growing myself just because of the amount of time and effort and energy that I put into making this event go well. So thank you for sticking around and sticking with me. We still got podcasts coming up, and we have events coming up, as well as if you have came to any of one of my events and done an ice bath, I actually have a brand new, first of its kind, Good Demand NFT, and I'm here to give it to you. All you need to do is get a Phantom wallet, put your Phantom wallet address in the comments below, or send it through me on Instagram at Good Demand or at MiguelFelix.Jr. And I will send you the NFT that you rightfully deserve, your NFT Ice Bath Badge. It is going to be very cool. And these are the badges I'm going to give to the guys that are committed to their self-development and growth and come along the journey of creating a community of like-minded individuals that really work together. And I'm going to give you guys awesome badges to remember the triumphs that you have accomplished over the time. For a lot of the people here, those ice baths were an extreme challenge. We had people that got in and popped right back out because they freaked out. So I want to make sure I commemorate everybody who had taken the guts to get into an ice bath, challenge their mind, challenge their brain, challenge their physical pain endurance, and give you that badge. So again, get a Phantom wallet. I like the Phantom wallet. It's very easy to use. Get a Phantom wallet. Send me your Solana address, and I will send you your very own first Good Demand NFT Ice Bath Badge. You're going to love the artwork. I made it myself. We're growing. Come to one of my events. I have them every other week, and we're going to have the big ones maybe every other month. I'm really excited for the next event. It's going to be a big bioenergetics event. and I'm working on making that happen. And I've learned from this past event of how to organize better, how to communicate better, how to anticipate the participants that come to my events and anticipate the challenges they may face on even just getting there and the challenges they may face while they're there. So all these events that I've been throwing have been great learning experiences. If you're interested in growing yourself and becoming a part of a large community of guys that are growing together and becoming stronger and improving their mind, body, and spirits, love to have you there. And they're getting better. They're getting better every fucking time. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in another video and hopefully at another event where I will distribute another Solana NFT. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in another video. Peace out.